workshop too shifted gear and moved that spotlight onto more fashion forward side of the industry, giving attendees a first look at the garments and trends that are set to define 2026. Our brands like AWDis, Henbury, Front Row and Anthem played a huge part in showcasing just how much potential there is beyond the traditional markets that decorators usually focus on. A key highlight was the Front Row collection, especially the rugby shirts which our team were wearing as uniform on the day. We used them to spark a conversation about reimagining products that are often just linked to one specific use. Instead of thinking of rugby shirts purely for sportswear, we opened up new possibilities. There's workwear, university apparel, lifestyle pieces, and a range of other sectors where this style can have real impact. The workshop also gave us a chance to unveil some exciting new garments that are launching in 2026. There are additions to the AWDis range that include the new signature jogging bottoms that complete the full signature set, and then the Vision range offering versatile mid-weight options. These upcoming releases show exactly how our brands are evolving to meet future demand.